Just got home. Pulling through the gates right now. And let's see. I'm going to come around the corner here. Get him over to his spot. Getting excited. Hopefully he likes it here. I'm pretty sure he will. There's a lot of animals here. So our chicken's all wondering, what's going on? What did he bring? Let's see, what do we got over here? I think I'll back it up. Right in this area here. So let me back this up and we'll start the reveal. Okay, so I just backed it up and I'm gonna go back there, see what he's doing. We pulled over a while ago on the side of the road just before we got here. Make sure he was riding around okay. He seems to be fine, nothing bothering him. So I'm gonna get out right now and open that gate and see what he does. Okay, so he's in that trailer. And I'm gonna open it up, just like I said, see what's going on. I'm sure the suspense is killing you guys, but I want to give it a little time to adjust before we just kind of rush him out. You can kind of hear him. You hear it? Yep, that's him. So let's see. Let's get that gate down and see what's happening. Okay, so we just got the gate down, and I don't know. He's in there somewhere. Hoping he makes some sounds here in a minute before we reveal him. So he's kind of looking around. The turkeys are coming out now, saying, what is going on here? So let's give him a few minutes and then we'll open the gate and then you guys can see who it is. Okay, so here we go. I want you guys to meet our new family member. His name is Earl. We got him from a really nice family up north here from our location. And not quite full grown, still kind of a baby. So let me introduce you to Earl. Say hi, Earl. What you doing? You're just a little baby. You're not as big as Moo over there. Look at Moo all wondering what's going on. Check this out. Look at Moo over there. It's all fluffed up. Yeah, Moo's all fluffed up. So let's see if Earl comes out, guys. This is exciting. Looks like Moo's a little excited. Come on, Earl. Are you afraid? Still not quite sure what he wants to do. Maybe it's the steps there, is trying to figure them out. Come on, you can do it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Come on. Isn't this exciting? She's so tiny. Or he's so tiny, sorry. Come on, Earl. Sometimes when you whistle at them, they'll come out. But why we give him a few minutes? But look at Moo. Moo, who's that? Isn't that exciting? You got a friend now. This is crazy. Come on, Earl. Come and meet Moo. Will he step out? Will he step out? Come on. Come on. Come on. You can see we put some padding in here on the trailer. So make sure he doesn't get bumped around during transport. So he's still not ready to come out. Let's give him a few more seconds. Okay, he's getting braver. Come on, Earl. You can do it. There he comes, there he comes. There he is. Welcome, Earl, to your new home. Look around. He's like, this is strange. You want to go see Moo? Go over and see Moo. There's Moo Moo. There's the turkeys. There's a big black copper Moran rooster. He's checking it all out. Isn't this exciting? A baby emu. I can't believe it. Baby emu, Earl. Go over and check out Moo Moo. Let's see how he does with Moo Moo. Oh, they're interested in each other. Oh, he's more into checking everything out. And there you have it. That's our new addition. Now to do a little integration and get him a little accustomed. But compared to emus, sorry. She's tiny. He's tiny. There you go. He wants to be with the chickens because that's what he's used to. You want some water? Let's go get you some water, huh? He's just checking it all out here. Earl loves chickens. That's what he was raised with. Let's see if he goes in the tack room because there's water in there. There we go. There's the introduction. There they are. They met. They met. Officially have met. This is awesome. He's still looking around. He's gone in to meet the chickens. The chickens don't know what to make of him. We're gonna have to get him all watered up here, so I'll give him some time and give you guys an update on the transition while I get him some water, because I think that's what he wants right now. So he's officially met Moo Moo and actually likes Moo Moo. Let's see here. Okay, they keep going back to each other. This is awesome. Look at the size difference. This is great. So we'll check back in a few. Get him watered down. See how this goes. They seem to like each other. He's in. He's poked him a little bit. What are you doing? Maybe he didn't like him in the pen. Let's see how they do. What did Earl do? What's wrong, Earl? Well, let's keep working with the introduction. There comes Moo Moo out. Now they're walking together.
Don't need to look no further.